Chris Orsher Landscaping. We have some sourwood trees. Sourwood's a really nice ornamental looking tree, an accent to a small patio or hardscape feature that you have in your backyard, or just a specimen tree for out front to get white flowers in the spring. They kind of have these finger-like flowers in the spring, and then in the fall they get these berries. Again, really attractive, really ornamental looking. It's just a nice small specimen tree. We have a lot available for purchase and or installation. We also have a lot of other specimen trees. We have windbreak trees, arborvitaes, dogwoods, sycamores. So if you like any more information about these sourwoods or any other trees, shrubs, perennials, plants, or hardscaping installation ideas that you may have, call Chris Orsher Landscaping at 215-249-1236 or visit us on the website at orsherlandscaping.com. That's ORSER landscaping.com.